Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to use Telegram. So Telegram is a messaging app which uses your phone number to message other people and find other people. It's similar to Viber. So after downloading Telegram, click on Telegram. Now you need a phone number to use Telegram. So just remember that. After opening Telegram, click on start messaging. Now over here, enter your country's code. So I'm from Nepal, so I'm entering Nepal's phone number code, which is 977. If you have a different country, you can just click on the country name, which is Nepal, and then select whichever country you want from here and enter your phone number. After entering your phone number, click on this icon over here. So let me enter my phone number over here real quick, and you're going to receive the verification code in your SMS. So just wait for some time until the verification code arrives. After receiving the login verification code, enter it, and after entering the verification code, you have entered Telegram. So now you can add your friend using this search bar over here on the search bar and entering your friend's phone number over here, and it's gonna search for the person using their phone number. Or you can chat with your friend. Let's say I want to chat with Hi Sam. I can just click on Hi Sam and type him like hi, like this. If I want to, I can also call them as well, like just click on Wizzy, and over here there's this three dot. I can click on this three dot and click on call or video call him, like that. It's basically similar to Messenger. So Telegram is used for communicating. It's similar to Viber. So that's basically how you use Telegram. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'll be signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.